guys, welcome back to this week's video. So as you can probably tell, there's 2 videos going up this week. My previous one was a Birchbox haul, which you guys can watch at the end of this video. And this video is a very exciting video that I couldn't wait to film as soon as I got back from this particular shop. As you guessed by the title, is the Lush Valentine's Day range. It was released today, and obviously I had to go to my local store and pick up all the bits that I could and film this video and share them with you guys. I have to say, this year is the best year they've done so far for Valentine's Day, and I'm very excited to get stuck in and start using these products. And some of the smells are incredible, and it is in this little bag here. Now, as a disclaimer, I didn't get everything in the Valentine's Day range. I've just got the bath bombs and the bubble bars, except one bath bomb, which was Rose Bombshell. That one came back this year, and it's not a particular favourite of mine, so I didn't see the point of buying it, and I wouldn't enjoy using it because I just find it too sickly and sweet for me, and it just makes me a little bit sick, to be honest. But I did get everything else, and I also didn't get the soap or the lip scrub or the lip tint because I've got too much shower stuff from Christmas that I need to get through first, and the lip stuff, I've got loads of Lush stuff ready, and it will just be put to one side and I'm going to use it, so I didn't want to waste my money. But what I do have is really exciting, and I do have a couple of year-round bits that I'll show you guys at the end as well. So if you guys want to see what is in this year's exciting Lush Valentine's Day range, then carry on watching. So I don't have any labels because the system on the tills hasn't updated, so they couldn't put the labels in the bags. So I'm just going to go by the app and tell you guys what the scent is and what the name is. So let's have a look. So let's see what we get first. Oh, it just fell out. No. Okay, so this one is the cult classic. When Valentine's Day comes around, this is what I look forward to using every single year, and I have for the past 2 years, I think now, that I've been obsessed over this product. And they've changed the colour scheme, but the ingredients are the exact same, and it's that cult classic unicorn horn bubble bar, and I think it matches my aesthetic more. It's less blue yellow, it's more of like a goldy cream with a purple and pink, and it just smells so good. It's got neroli oil, there's lavender in there, so it's very uplifting and calming, and obviously you can do this, which I love doing, and it's just one of my absolute favourites. It's just really super pretty, pastely, and kind of matches my nails. I do have a whole one from last year because I love it so much, and I wasn't sure if they were going to bring it back, but now I can just put the whole one in the bar and use this sparingly. I will link in the description box below the whole range, so you can go on the website, see the prices, and look at the ingredients yourself. And let's go into the next one. Ooh, this might be... Okay, this one's an all year round one. I'll save that. And next one. Ooh, so we got a bath melt bubble bar, I think. Yeah, so it's a bubble bar melt, and it's called Heart of Enlightened Expectation, which is a very long-winded name. It's got rose absolute, fair trade garlic, cocoa butter, and geranium oil. And you've also got jasmine, which is probably why I like it, because I love jasmine. It's just a very citrusy, floral, yeah, it's just very citrusy and floral and sweet. And it looks like this, and it's a very nice shape. It's so pretty as well. This one is one of the new ones, and obviously, as you can see, it looks like it's dipped in cocoa butter, and it looks like one of those fancy cake slices where they would like do some fancy icing on top. It's really pretty, and I love the colours, and it's quite sparkly on top as well, and you can probably get about 3 bars out of this. I can't get over the smell. It's not like your typical sort of sweet scent. It's just really nice and subtle floral, which is what I love. Okay, this one was the one I was most excited about. Loads of different stores were posting sneak peeks, and this one was coming up a lot because the bath art is so pretty. If you guys love Intergalactic Bath Bomb and Dragon's Egg, then you will love this one. This one is called a Love Boat, and it has organic sweet orange oil, rose oil, and Sicilian lemon oil. So it's quite a nice sweet citrusy one, and one of my colleagues in the store said it smelled very similar to the Mum Bath Bomb from last year's Mother's Day range, which I didn't buy because it felt weird using a bath bomb with the word mum on it, but I should really try it out. It slammed into the paper and it just smells amazing, and it's so pretty. Like I foresee a lot of kids wanting this because it's a little boat and it's got a little love heart on top, and underneath there's like confetti hearts, and it's got yellow, so in the bath it'll look really, really pretty, and I can't wait to use it. I feel like this is going to be a very popular Valentine's Day product this year, and I just love it so much. Look at it, it's so cute. Can't stop inhaling it. I just think this would be amazing with the unicorn horn bubble bar as a cocktail. Oh my god, if I love it, like if it's amazing in the bath, I will definitely stock up for the Valentine's Day range ends and the Easter Mother's Day collection comes. Next one. Okay, last two. We have Whole Lotta Love, and it has rose absolute, organic shea butter, and mirror butter. So you can tell there's a theme with rose absolute in this whole collection, because I guess roses are sort of like a traditional flower to give on Valentine's Day. I don't know, but it's a really cute little bubble balloon. You've got the cocoa butter in the middle that's covered in gold luster, and it smells really good. It smells exactly like Fizz Banger Bath Bomb. If you love that, then you will love this, and it will go so well together as well as a cocktail. Look how pretty it is, and look at the gold in the middle. Absolutely love it. Probably get about 2 baths out of this if you like break it in half, or you can be cheeky and get 4 if you like break it into little pieces as well. And the last one that I picked up, I think, is a returning new version. Cool. So the next one is Bath Bomb, and it is called Tissy Tossy. So if you guys remember, they had an all year round one called Tissy Tossy with rose petals in, and then it got discontinued, and they brought it back for Valentine's Day, but they've actually changed it a bit. It's got pink on the top and it's got white on the bottom, and it still has the rose petals. It smells really nice. I think it's more of like a sort of dyed down version of Rose Bombshell, and I do love the scent of rose, and this is the perfect amount of rose, but Rose Bombshell is just too in your face, but this is very subtle and very nice and floral. And look how pretty it is, you can see the petals in there. I just feel like it's a very pretty rose bath bomb. I don't know why, but the scent reminds me of like when you go to like a National Trust gift shop and they have those bags of dried flowers that you can put in your room or your wardrobe or drawer. It has that sort of generic floral scent that I absolutely love, and it has rose absolute, jasmine absolute, and orris root powder. What is orris root? It's from the dried rhizomes of the iris plant. Ooh, that sounds very interesting. And onto the all year round bits. I only got 2 bits, and the first bit is 1000 millihelens jelly face mask. These were released way back in the summer. I've only tried Birth of Venus. I don't know if I mentioned it in a previous large haul on this channel. And this one is 1000 millihelens, and it's got green tea infusion, fresh apple juice, it's kaolin, there's neroli oil, lemon oil, Brazilian orange oil, and witch hazel extract, which makes it antibacterial. And I've got microscopic spots on my face. don't know if that's too much information, but I thought this would be amazing to use to help combat that. Plus the fresh apple juice sounds amazing for brightening, cleansing the skin, as well as the lemon. And it just smells really nice. It smells like something that would help clear and combat bacteria on your face. So yeah, got that. And the last one is my favourite bath bomb. As I mentioned previously, I love jasmine, and this one is a jasmine and clary sage infused bath bomb, and it is Sex Bomb bath bomb. This is all year round one, and it's so strong in scent. I love it so much, and it also be a great Valentine's Day product as well because it's so floral and nice, and it's one of my absolute favourites. So that is everything that I got from Lush for Valentine's Day. I will pick up probably the shower products within the next few weeks or so. I haven't decided yet, but keep an eye on the blog if I do pick them up, or on my Lush Instagram, which is reaalllyyy, and I'll link my Instagram in the description box below. It's because I just got to get through a lot of Christmas shower and want to make space if I do commit to buying some shower products. If you guys enjoyed this video and you want to see more Lush videos from me, then give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell below to get updates for the next upload. And I'll see you all next week for a January favourites. So yeah, I can't wait to share them all with you. So yeah, have a great weekend guys, and I'll see you all next week.